Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the active specification. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It's got a full service history with Howard's as well. But this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels. There's a 7-inch touchscreen that comes with DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth. And on top of this, you also get air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 75 horsepower. The car's done only 8,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.